Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting required documents now so you can complete the online form in one session. Have a valid ID, company registration, proof of address, and clear digital photos ready. Once done, create or log into the government portal using two-factor authentication. This prevents delays during submission. Make sure to note your trade classification code and plan start date because the system validates eligibility as you type, saving time and avoiding common rejection reasons. You now work through the application fields carefully, filling trade name, precise address, and the correct activity code. Accuracy here determines applicable fees. Then upload clear scans, ID, company registration, lease or ownership, and required photos. The portal accepts JPG or PDF up to specified sizes. After uploads, select license period and review calculated fees. You will pay by card or portal wallet. If the form flags an error, correct it immediately and revalidate before final submission. You finish by reviewing the summary page line by line, then submit and save the confirmation or reference number. This is your audit trail. Make the payment and download the provisional license or receipt. Print a copy for your records. Once submitted, monitor your portal inbox for verification requests and respond promptly. Troubleshooting tip. If status stalls for more than the published processing time, use the reference number to open a support ticket and attach the original submission screenshots to expedite resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.